Hello kids, welcome to another video. Today we will learn ABC and 1, 2, 3 with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's start some colors name. Red color, sky blue color, yellow color, brown color, pink color. Let's start. Pink color. A for aeroplane. Yellow color. B for bat. Brown color. C for cat. Sky blue color. One. Orange color. Two. Red color. Three. Let's again. A, B, C. 1, 2, and 3. Yellow color. 1. Brown color. 2. Green color. 3. Orange color. 4. Red color. 5. Violet color. 6. Pink color. 7. Blue color. 8. Sky blue color. 9. Black color. 10. Violet color. 11. Pink color. 12. Red color. 13. Orange color. 14. Sky blue color. 15. Blue color. 16. Green color. 17. Brown color. 18. Yellow color. 19. Black color. 20. Let's again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
A for air. Green color. B for basket. Brown color. C for crocodile. Pink color. D for draw. Light green color. E for eggplant. Mint color. F for fire. Yellow color. G for garlic. Black color. H for home. Blue color. I for iron. Red color. J J for jury. Sky blue color. K. K for key. Violet color. L. L for lips. Orange color. M. M for moon. Green color. N. N for noon. Brown color. O. O for ox. Pink color. P. P for parrot. Light green color. Q. Q for query. Mint color. R. R for read. Yellow color. S. S for seed. Black color. T. T for tulip. Blue color. U. U for union. Red color. V. V for vase. Sky blue color. W. W for wet. Violet color. X. X for Xerox. Orange color. Y. Y for ear. Green color. Z. Z for jeep. Let's again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Keep watching for next video. Thank you.